when you're working on something. And here we go. Where is our stream? I'll need to first figure out if the video is fine or not. So let's pop out the chat. Why is it not pushing the stream here on YouTube? Okay, now it is. So I'll keep this running on the corner here. Okay, I think we are good, right? How many people are here already? 3 people. Okay, awesome. So yeah, welcome guys. Welcome to this corner of the internet at this time of the day. Varun, hey Varun, welcome to the stream. And Varun, thank you so much for giving the PR for the day. I haven't had chance to look into it because I was busy with the release I have to make tomorrow. So yeah, it's been very challenging. And today I have also published the video for members only. I hope you guys have already checked it out. And to be honest, when the whole thing came out, I want to get your feedback on it first. But from my side, it was not exactly what I was hoping for in the final version. But then I thought, okay, it's taking too much time, so let it push it out in this way only. I mean, I tried my best to make like 2 people talking kind of conversation, but it didn't came out like that, to be honest. Like when I was editing, like when Shivanshu gave me after editing, something was missing there. Umesh, hello bro, happy Holi. Hey, happy Holi Umesh, happy Holi to everyone guys. So today was Holi all over India I guess, but we are celebrating Holi tomorrow. So most probably I will be here by evening or night, but in case I visit some family members, I might miss tomorrow. I don't know, I'm still not very sure. Tomorrow is Saturday, but so yeah, if I miss it, maybe I will compensate on Sunday for it. But it's my goal to do streams for almost 6 days a week. It's my own personal goal. Varun, I understand that one, so I'm not going to disturb you. Thank you so much, Varun. Yeah, so this is the list which I'm currently working on. So most of the things, I want to go one by one. What are the things which I have worked on? The music is too loud. So yeah, add analytics in the app I have done. I have integrated PostHog in it. Maybe I can show you guys. Here's the dashboard, how it looks like. I think some of the things are missing because it's giving me some errors, but it's a very basic implementation for now. I can just see how many page views on dashboard login people are coming in. There are no custom events for now, which I can add later on. So for the one like basic analytics integration is there, so I'm not like blindsided if people are coming and I don't know how many people are coming per day. Another thing is publish YouTube video, which I did today. Make a thumbnail for YouTube. That I spent some time. That idea was Shivanshu's idea. He said like, let's make this pose and we will put a frame in between. I did not like how I'm looking there, but I thought it looks creative, so let's put it. And then security rate limit with Cloudflare. Oh yeah, this is I have done. So right now the app has Cloudflare protection, a basic DDoS protection basically. So anytime any user tries to send a lot of requests to posthandle.com, it will block them for some time. And there are other protections as well. I have set some rules, very basic rules, nothing fancy, but we will go forward and we'll see how how it looks like, what kind of security lapses we face. And then what I have done, remove extra buttons from the dashboard. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the dashboard. So here is how the dashboard looks. So right now I have removed all the unnecessary buttons from here. I have cleaned up the side panel. Now we have this videos, which I'm currently working on. So here you can see which are your created videos, which you have created. And then you have new video, which you can click on. Here it will be shown up like this. And then there is, a settings page where you can see your settings. Upgrade plan doesn't work. I think theme design also doesn't work right now. So it's a very basic bare bone working structure, which I'm giving. And for that, this was one of the tasks. Then fix the Pixabay and GIF search. Yes, so GIF search was not working earlier, even in the mostly on the the production version. So I fixed that too. Production I haven't fixed, like released this version yet, which I was showing you. So here you can, if you search like clouds, it's not working. Shit. Yeah, maybe I have to push the latest changes first. But on the local version, this should work. Yes, it's working. Another thing which I need to add with Pixabay, I want to give a toggle if you want to search for image or videos, because all the time it's giving me videos, and sometimes the type of video or the image which I want as a background, it's not giving me that. And yeah, I have added some more green screens here. So there is this uncle, there is this Heisenberg, this cat, this. So yeah, we can make a couple of memes as well. And what else I have done? So these are still pending tasks which I have right now, which one of them we will work on right now. Varun, okay, so Vishnu, have you heard scientists have found a way to freeze light beams into solid using quantum computing? Yeah, light beams into solid. Cool, I'll look into that. I don't know that. Thank you for that info, Vishnu. Pakoda, yeah, happy Holi. Kaise raha aaj ka din? Pakoda, today was a very busy day for me because I was just explaining all the tasks which I have done. Holi, it was not today in our place, Uttarakhand. I think in this region they are celebrating Holi tomorrow. So tomorrow will be busy, like super busy. So how we celebrate Holi in our houses? We live here in Haldwani, and this is we just celebrate in the morning. We meet some neighbors, and once they start like the whole function, then we leave at around 10:30 to our village, which is almost 40-45 kilometers from here. Then that's my dadi's place. So we go there. It's like at around 11:30. The whole holy team, they reach there. Then we distribute some chaj, some this aloo pakoda, some snacks, and then they sing songs. They put water and all. Then that we conclude the Holi at around 12:30. Then we come back. Then we meet some other family members, and that's how we just rotate. We just drive tomorrow. We will drive tomorrow from the whole morning 9 a.m. to evening, most probably like 6 p.m. And if I have the energy left, I will try to come and do the stream as well. If not, Sunday, I'll have to do it on Sunday. Umesh, bro, I'm learning app development, but I'm scared sometimes. Is it really worth it? Also, I see an iOS app recently on Twitter whose name Vibe Code. It can create app just by a simple prompt. I mean, what's your reason to learn the app development? You can learn app development. Do not just dive into it, as I was saying yesterday, because it will be lucrative or it has higher money at this point. You can learn anything. Like learning coding by picking any framework or any OS is fine, as long as your mindset is of learning and becoming a good engineer or to solve problems, and not really like care for money. Money is very important, but do not be blindsided with just money. I want to know the rules for the Memathon. I'm making a video tomorrow, so that's one of my tasks it was for tomorrow, but tomorrow I will be busy with Holi, and so. But yeah, before launching, I'll publish a video where I will completely explain what Memathon is, what are the rules, how to participate, how the winner will be chosen, and what are the prizes. So all the core questions will be answered in that video. I'll publish it on my my YouTube channel. Lol, I forgot that. Vishnu, Dev, why are you talking so fast? Oh, is it too fast? I'm sorry, guys. Maybe I'm hyperactive after working for so long. How long I have been working for? Oh, today I think I haven't enabled this, but I was working for 2 more. So it's total I have worked like for 4 hours today. Hey, how goes it? Blinken, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to this small corner of the internet where we hang out, the builders, the creators, the tech enthusiasts. Varun, I think now I'm in waitlist, just logged in. Yes, so I will disable the waitlist. That is one of the tasks here. Yeah, remove the waitlist. I'll remove the waitlist completely so you guys can just come in and start exploring the app. Just logged in. Okay, Tanmay Yadav. Hey Tarun, how are you, man? Welcome back. Vishnu, really interested in the Memathon, bro. Wow. Guys, I would really appreciate if you can just share the word as well out of this community. So we have like more, more users who are like trying to participate in it. My goal is to get 100 participants on Memathon, and I would be really happy if we get 200. Better to have separate Discord. Oh, you mean for Memathon separate Discord? Can do that, but it's becoming so hard to manage this Discord channel. Again, a new Discord, is it a good idea? Like, give me some suggestions, guys. Should we create a new Discord channel for the Memathon? Because I get it, like this is basically for developers, and if there are Memathon users who are not even on that kind of domain. Hmm. This doesn't look good. You're right. Yeah, let me think about it. Post handle. Let me think about it, because I'm making Instagram channel though for post handle, where I will start posting memes and all the creations using post handle. People can tag me, and will be like anything which is created with post handle, that will be posted on that Instagram channel. Similarly for YouTube as well. Code Crusader, hello Code Crusader, how are you doing? Do you know about Arc browser? Yes, I think Arc browser is done and dusted now. The whole company got bankrupted. Now they have also disabled their browser updates, something like that. People are moving to something new, which is called Zen browser. Last time I heard this news. So, and to be honest, I'm not a big fan of Arc browser. I tried using it. My old memory, my neurons pathways are already created, and they love using Chrome so much. Like I feel more productive on Chrome, so it doesn't make sense for me to migrate. Tarun, create a channel maybe in Discord. Yeah, that we definitely need to do. But Varun has a good point too, because now if we invite people on this channel, which is mostly for AI engineers, and there might be users who do not need to know about AI or anything. So yeah, let me think about it. Give me like maybe a day. I sat on my desk chair all day yesterday. I did my work day from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and then switched computers to work on my app until 10 p.m. Blinking codes, you are my inspiration, man. In next 10 years, if I have this level of dedication, I will be like, I'll be crushing it. So yeah, you are an inspiration, man. Keep hustling, keep pushing out all that code, and yeah, this hard work, crazy inspiring. Code Crusader hasn't installed Arc. Oh nope, Arc is good. I'm using, but not better than Google. I mean, I tried using it. I tried because all that side navigation for. I didn't get it. It was not for me. I think it was not for everyone. Today is weekend. Friday. So anybody has any good plans? Let's also start working on the things which I was working on. I asked it to make few changes, but let's see, did it made those changes? No. This is bad. Let's remove all these. I don't want these changes. I'm using Jay Krishna. What is this idea about? Jay Krishna. So we are building this app called posthandle. This will help you create posts. Guys, I have a crazy post idea. Like, let's make this, right? So one thing is, I will have computer lab. Or maybe computers. Or maybe a startup. Yeah, this one is good. And then I will have this one. So this is what we are building, Jai Krishna. This is, you can think of it as the evolution of this thing will be the cursor for short form content creation. How is this?
You got me.
export this. How is this meme? We just created now. Code Crusader, bro, unfortunately I cannot participate in Memathon on Monday. There is maths board exam, I'm pretty sad. So it's not just for one day. So Memathon will be there for at least 3 weeks. So you can participate anytime, create 20 memes, publish anywhere, and I'll share the rules, how the exact participation happens. So yeah. Yo, happy Diwali once again. Happy Diwali. Wow, we are at Diwali now. We were at Holi earlier. So happy Holi to you, man. I hope you're trying to write Holi only. Let's download this. So Jay Prakash, you just found out about this app. How much would you rate it out of 1 to 10?
You got me.
I'll just share this meme. Let me share it to my friend. He's in a company. He's this guy who is just writing code and no documentation. Divanshu AI, do you have any other OSS project ideas? I'm about to finish CapIQ's MVP and have the next 3 months free. I want to focus seriously on one project instead of wasting time. Awesome, Varun. So we can even so CapIQ is not just simple searching thing. It will grow up, we can work on it and make it huge. There is a huge potential on that product. So if you are interested, we can talk about it and you can spend next 3 months working on it and I can help you as well. Or if you want any other open source idea, I have a list of 100 plus ideas on this AI domain. So yeah, we can talk about it. But for now, I feel CapIQ is something which is super interesting to me. Holy, yes, Jagger, 7 out of 10. Okay, please share the rules in Discord. 5 out of 10. Oh, wow. So yeah, maybe I'll have to increase the USP of this product, not just these green screen memes. You'll see. I have some crazy ideas. I have some magic under the sleeve, guys. I will increase this 5 or this 7 to almost at 8 and 9. Maybe I'll also publish it on Discord. Where is the memes? Here.
You got me.
Hello Shubham, welcome. Happy Holi. Okay, so here we are. Where is that screen? I want this screen to be visible. Okay, so let's publish this feature first. Then I need to work on another thing, which is what? Where is this screen? Localhost. Yeah, this color changes, right? Another thing which is very annoying to me is this background color which is coming up and AI is not able to find it. I have to maybe do some debugging here to check from where this color is coming. Let's see. This one is, let's do it red 500 once. Let's see how it looks. So this is the studio section, right? So we do not want to mess with it. Or better is if I put it on the bottom so the views are very... Okay, so this is back. Just played a really long inning on what? Are you playing cricket? Today I went for a cricket tournament. Oh, nice. Hope you had fun. I was playing cricket with my brothers in the evening. Not as cricket. They have a tournament, I think on Sunday. They were asking me to join, but I haven't played cricket with the leather balls for multiple years, maybe 5 years. Guys, I'm also thinking I will not be playing copyrighted songs from now on. My brother gave me some insights. He said like always you're playing copyrighted songs, so this could be a reason. Like sometimes YouTube just puts you on a shadow ban because your channel is always using copyrighted content. I don't know how true is that, but let's see. Let's see if we can reduce the copyrighted music from now on. So that's why I'm playing this sad lo-fi music from SoundCloud. But this chill lo-fi, yes, this is good. Plus I'm also thinking to make some music from Suno, like AI app of my own taste, and maybe like make a playlist out of it for 1 hour, and we can just play that almost every day. So it has the same vibe, same thing running on the background, no copyright. I think that's one of the idea we can work on. Okay, so obviously this thing which we have, studio section, this is not what we are looking for, so we can go for the studio. So once we have studio, right, case is studio, so we have a studio section here, and in this case studio menu provider textile, this one, what is the color of this? BG red 500. So this doesn't show any color, so this means the parent of it is studio menu. Somewhere here we have some sort of padding which I cannot figure out which one is this. Maybe this one? No. So it's around this thing. I'm not very sure. Leather ball with high speed hit me. Oh man, that's bad. Okay, I'm still figuring out where is this part. I don't think this has to do with that. So we have a menu, but there is a background layer of all this. Obviously this is just a provider, so this cannot bring any design. Where is this studio section is implemented? First check it out. Okay, so then there is the render content, right? Is it this one? Yes, I got it. So now we have to just give it the color of sip. Where is sip? Sip is already running. Sip, give me this color. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this border is gone from the sides, which was very annoying to me earlier, and now I need to change the theme of this thing. Let's change the theme. First I want to commit this code. What is happening here? Blinken, there is a weekly group of guys that play cricket here. We see them playing while we are on another field for my kids baseball. Oh wow, kid cricket in America, that's new, Blinken. I mean, I don't think cricket is a very famous in that part of the world. Shubham, see, don't send your kids over there. Plus, if they are playing with leather ball children. can you change the color theme of the all posts section to look like studio section as the colors are different? And is new video? Yes, new video is taking there, but we need to add that part. We have a fairly large Indian population here. We have halal meat markets and Indian grocery stores. Ah, interesting. So yeah, if there are Indian people like India, cricket is the most popular game in India. So yeah, makes sense. It play to remove my stress. Yes, anything physical is really good for mental clarity, stress management. Oh, the sound of this kid on this music just scared me. Okay, so I think we are getting closer in terms of this design here. This is okay, this is okay. This looks very bland though. I will update the designs once the challenge is finished. So for now, I guess we have to just go with it because I'm on like very strict timeline. Tomorrow by mid, I was planning to release the Memathon, but I don't think tomorrow it will be possible because it's Holi. By evening, if maybe I can, but I will invite you guys. Like you guys can come and register. But the whole thing of like talking about it publicly, publishing this video, talking about it on Twitter, making this Instagram page, running some ads on it. Even I have planned to like post on my socials, ask a couple of my friends to post on their socials, and that's how I'll like start talking about it. We'll build a small fire around this. I've seen it but don't know much about it. So I was in Thailand with my team, with like my Singapore based team, and there was this guy from Philippines. He never heard, like he didn't know what cricket is. So he asked me, he was very curious, hey, what this cricket is? I have heard a lot about it, I don't know what it is. Like I see people playing it, it looks very complicated. Then I said, no, it's not that complicated, I started telling him the rules, and while I was telling him the rules, because it's so so ingrained in our day-to-day life that we do not consider it very complex, but while I was explaining to person who'd never heard or never known these rules, it became complicated to me. Like, okay, so then I told him, hey, I get it. It's not that easy. I understood that while explaining to him. And until you play with a tennis ball, it's a really good game. I can't play, I'm physically disabled. I'm doing good now, just being walk unassisted for short distances. Oh, okay. Is it some like injury you got? I'm making one Memathon post to share that in my Insta. Okay, cool, Varun. Thank you so much, man. Cool. Any tips for marketing the product? No generic tips, please. I can ask generic tips to GPT. Happy Life, welcome. Happy Life coming with a banger question. Any tips for marketing the product? So my tips, are very practical for my use cases, which I have tried and they kind of worked. I'm not very good at marketing. I suck at marketing. My basic tips or my basic experiments for marketings are, initially I just talk about my things which I'm working on to my close friends, family, so I get a basic traction. Now these are not the target audience, because most of the products which I build are not for them. I just want to see their reactions, their feedbacks, bugs, or anything they're facing while onboarding. So this is my like initial circle. After that, I start talking about it on my social channels. I don't have a large following anywhere except for maybe like YouTube. 5,000 is the maximum I have. Then I start talking about it there. Then I get like few, like maybe 10, 20 users from here. Once this phase is done, then I go a bigger audience, which is like maybe posting about it on Reddit, talking about it on some threads, talking about it on Twitter, like replying on different threads where people are asking about that. So it's a very active process where I'm just involved in it. Then the third thing is I post it on where people talk about products, software products, like Product Hunt. There is Unit, there is AI for things. Like there are these all the directories. I plan and post like on 20-50 directories like that. It's again a very tedious process. Then once all this is done, this is for a web app projects like which I have done previously. I'll do the same thing for posthandle as well. Once this all is done, like my app will start gaining some visibility. Maybe like 100 users are using it now. Maybe not paying it, but they sign up on it. Hundreds of signups are there. I get a lot of feedback from it, which I can then work on. So this is whole 3 months are set after release, because now you have bugs, you have features which you have to build, but continuously you have to market as well. So if all this is done, then I go and make like short form content, run an ads on them. That $50 campaign which I was talking about. So I make like $10 campaign, run for every day, and you get like some users coming in, then they give you advices, and then slowly it keeps on growing. It never happens everything at once. So this is my basic marketing experiments for myself. I don't know how much helpful these are for you, or if you have anything under your sleeve. Umesh, bro, I create thumbnail for you. Check it out on Discord in showcase section. I hope you like it. Oh. Wow. Who created it? Umesh, thank you so much, man. This looks so cool. Yeah, maybe I'll use it for the next video which I'll publish about it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I spent 4 months in the hospital due to that dreaded C word. I died apparently, but I don't remember. I had to learn to walk again. Slowly things are coming back. Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that, Blinken. And I'm glad that you are recovering. Tagline: in post, make memes, farm engagement, win prizes. Finally a competition where procrastination pays off. I like this. Yeah, thank you, Mesh. Okay, while talking, I forgot what I was working on. Yes, I need to add this thing. On the left sidebar, if user click on the post handle menu icon, we take the user to the home screen. That's so what happens. To the dashboard screen. Let's change the content of the dashboard screen to show our logo of Favicon in the middle, and then to post handle below that only for now. Let's see. I started coding to fight depression from being broken, not being able to do the active things I used to do. When I say coding saved my life, it's true. Wow, man, this is so inspiring. That's such a high spirit. Super inspirational stuff, Blinken quotes. And all the best, man. I wish you all the luck and all the happiness after this, and I'm really happy for you. By the way, new outro of the latest video is great. Thank you, happy life. By the way, my yesterday's rant is still there. Yeah, sure, you continue your rant on the background threads. It's been since December 2021 when I got out of the hospital. Wow, it was so early, like it's just been 3 years. You add a click event on the logo of the app on the left navigation menu bar. I'm just creating the, I'm just telling it to how it should look like. So there is the icon, and then there is this welcome to post handle like this. Then there will be a box here, and a box here, and a box here, and a box here. It will say create memes. Create meme video. And then there will be create AI story. Or maybe AI movie. Or AI video. And there will be create UGC ad. Create image. I think this will be, and then there will be this kind of box here. Every day I do something to be better than the day before. That's awesome. Now focus on present. That's all we have, the present. Exactly. I started focusing on my presents as well from last year, since I started meditating. I was a very anxious overthinker for last 4-5 years, and I used to overthink about the future, and sometimes ruminating on my past, and I was never present. So then someone, kind of a mentor to me, he said you are one of those person who I would advise you should definitely do meditation. And then that was the time I took it very seriously. And then I thought how free you can get once you break free from this patterns of thoughts of overthinking. It's not like overthinking is gone for me, but I feel much more on the ground level in this stage. But yeah, I completely agree with you. That's all we have, the present. Can you make the dashboard design like this? On the top we have a short favicon, below that the text welcome to post handle, and then we have the boxes telling users we can do all these 4 things. The 3 other boxes are disabled with the text coming soon, but the first box is enabled with shows animation of increasing the size with a shadow. Clicking on it takes us to studio. Now let's take the serious talks to fun like we always do. Yeah, everything is fun. So yeah, where are we? I'm just updating the designs. Meanwhile, the things which are pending is update the login page design. This is, I think, is kind of done. Release the V2 landing page. V2 will not be done for now. Update the homepage design on posthandle. Yes, homepage is done. Yes. Change copy. We have to do that. Add the register button working. This I still need. Make the Memathon. This I will do tomorrow. Add the 20 video user. Yes, this limit I have to still add. Yes, let's do that. So this is what the home screen looks like. Is it okay? For now, I'm thinking yes, kind of, it's fine. You can always go here, and this is like when you click on this, will be taken here. I think it's fine. Then okay, let's keep all. Let's move on to the another task, which is okay, when we enter or mount the studio section, I want the background option to be selected by default without us clicking on that. So there are two options. Either we can click on background or we can click on the memes. We'll see. To be honest, I have get done today so much as like I have done the whole week since morning, and I like it. So much progress in just a single day. Okay, so now if we go to the home page, right, and we click on this, nice. So we'll always be on the backgrounds. Backgrounds will always be visible to the user. So this is done. So most of it is working, right? So this is working, this is working, this is working. Here we have to fix that webhook part. I'm going to buy a bike soon. Shubham, which bike are you going to buy? Oh, nice. Congratulations. You got your license. Let's commit this as well and push. Are we able to build this though? Let's see if this is being built. How much time we have? 10 minutes. What we can do in 10 minutes? Royal Enfield Gorilla. Oh, I think this is the new bike, right? My brother has the Himalayan. I like it as well. asking why is the webhook not hitting? Can you fix the issue here? Our webhook is not getting triggered when the video is rendered. Let's add some debug logs, and what can we do to fix this? Check the API section for webhook implementation. Yeah, Himalayan is a very big bike, and it's very heavy though. Yeah, if you live in a city, I mean, Himalayan doesn't serve the purpose. My brother goes into these mountain expeditions, so for him, the off-roading makes more sense. Okay, let me check what it has updated now, because webhook has some serious stuff. Config using webhook. Also on the render, setting up with webhook. Analyzed. Okay, let's keep going on that. Editing the progress. But I don't think this will work though, yarn deploy lambda. In English, this is not that much good compared to Telugu. Memathon on Instagram, you get likes. Here you get prize. Create memes, don't use AI, use your brain. In Telugu, is it good? What is it in Telugu? Guys, give me some more ideas. Like, what are some things which I can do to market the Memathon? Like, I know one thing is talking about it on my YouTube. What other things you might do if you were running this? Deploy site. Ask a tech influencer. Will the tech influencer really interested on such kind of a thing? I'm not very sure. So let's check our Vercel, because I need to check some deployment logs now. Not deployment, sorry, the logs of webhook, which will come to our Vercel. It's building. So now the app has grown so much, it takes almost 2 minutes to build. Pay him. Initially I don't want, like, I'm a believer that initially you should never pay for your product's marketing, even a single rupee. Initially you should see any possible way via organic, zero marketing budget. If you are able to get initial like 100-200 users without paying anyone, then you have something on your hand which can scale up if you start paying. So money is like oil. You can put it on, so if you have a fire, even a spark, if you put oil in it, which is money, it will burn, and it will burn high, and you will see all the flames. But if you put that oil on a water droplet, which is maybe a project, if you put as much oil as you want, you will never see a fire. So that's my philosophy is I want to see that spark or that small fire, so that I can put the money and then starts growing big. Or maybe have a big list of hashtags if also really works. I mean, hashtag, I think the algorithms now are much smarter. They do not even consider hashtags. I think Elon Musk said in one of his interview that the Twitter algorithm does not use hashtags now. Like, hashtags have no relevance on Twitter. And similarly, I think all of these platforms have grown so big, they have so much data they have trained on, that they do not need hashtags. So anyone who is using hashtags, I think it's not super relevant until it's like for a specific task. For example, like if I'm running this Memathon, right? So if I ask you, hey, just put a hashtag #Memathon, then it will make my life easier to search for this content, because then I can just type #Memathon and it will show me all that content. Okay, so we have this now deployed. We will see the logs, but for that we will have to render something. Let's render a quick video. Which one? This one. Let's do the exporting. Live. I want to see the live logs. Oh wait. This exporting is happening on. Oh shit, mate. I have done a bad thing. I should do it on here. Export. Maybe this will show up. That's why I stopped believing in SEO. I mean, SEO's days are kind of over now, but there is a new thing which is coming. It's just like LLM SEO. So how these LLMs will get to know that what kind of suggestion they need to give. Like, for example, if I ask in Perplexity, hey, give me which app I can make memes with AI, I want my app name to be there in Perplexity. How do I make sure that Perplexity is giving my app as a suggestion? So people are like now targeting these keywords, and these kind of strategies are coming up. Webhook URL not found. Okay, so I got this. I saw the logs and found this on my server. I can see two issues here. Missing webhook configuration. The progress API logs, which means the webhook configuration isn't being properly passed to the Lambda function. Missing Firestore documentation does not exist. Let's fix both. First, let's fix the document creation issue. But that is not my major issue. User, this video does not exist. I mean, it doesn't exist, that's fine. You went to Australian accent. But there's something new, LLM SEO. I will read about it. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I was reading about it the other day. Now let's fix the webhook configuration issue. Well, let's do that. So if my webhook is fixed, then I will have the videos which I can then show on the all posts page. And then the whole loop is finished. The whole view, whole dashboard is finished from my side. It's the version 1 is ready. It's kind of ready now. I'm just polishing on the final things. Okay guys, so I'll be leaving in next 5 minutes. Again, whoever is leaving. I'm really thankful for you guys to come here, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow. And happy Holi in advance. Like, I know it's already Holi happened in most part of the India today, but I'll celebrate it tomorrow. So yeah, still happy Holi. And again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming and joining here. And the video is already published. It will be coming live for everyone else. For today, it was released for the members. If I want to buy a MacBook but really good performance, can you suggest? Buy anything above M2, M3, M4, and based on your budget, MacBook Air can also work pretty fine. I'm using MacBook Air though. I have a M2 MacBook Pro. Sorry, MacBook Air. It's a great stream as always. Thank you, Blinking Code. That means a lot. I've been lacking or slacking on making videos for like, except for these live. I am like not very posting regularly because I have been busy with other things. I do not want to make any excuses, but this week I'm thinking like, since I'm back home, I have a little bit less stress now as we will be launching Memathon. I don't know if my stress will increase or decrease once it launches, but yeah, I have enough time, so I'll put some extra time, like maybe pushing out 1 or 2 videos a week. And I also got one editor for my videos who will make the short form content for my channel. And yeah, let's see how that goes. I posted my one shot today on my YouTube channel. Cool. See ya. Happy life. Thank you for joining. That's my visit. I will have to work through. Shubham, if you are okay with buying, you know, a good machine, get a Mac Mini Studio. That would be my recommendation. You can get as low as 60,000. Plus, if you put a student discount, you can get it at like 55,000. Put a monitor on it, and you have a very good Mac machine. It is as powerful as any Windows can get. Like, it has M3 processor. I think M4 processor. Yeah, the new M4 Mac Mini Studios, and they are very powerful. They are as comparable to as my Mac Studio. I saw your YouTube short earlier. It was good. Thank you, man. Shubham is yapping. Yeah, I mean, Shubham is yapping a lot. I have no idea. I'm not even thinking to check it today. I'll check it tomorrow. Let's see if it deploys properly first. Let's see the deployment happening. What? It's deployed already? It cannot. Yes, it's still building. Shubham excited these days. I think Shubham doesn't have a lot of work. Shubham, you should start contributing to Cap IQ, man. Put all this energy on Cap IQ. We'll have a great product. So I'm still waiting for the build to finish. Once it gets finished, I will again render one video and we'll see if we are getting the webhooks. If we are good. I'll be happy to sleep. And if not, I'll not be that much happy. I'll be like a little bit sad, but still I will sleep. So it got deployed. Let's see the logs. Let's run the live. I'm running it on the other screen because, you know, sensitive information. Where is that video? Where is that video thing? Here. Let's export it again. See if we are getting any webhook. I have work, but I focus on chatting. Yeah, you keep the chat lively, Shubham. Maybe from tomorrow I'll focus like before. Okay, so creating a new document which is created. Request body is empty for webhook. Progress is showing not found. So I think again webhooks are not coming properly. Hello mommy, you are here. Shubham, I will work on Cap IQ tomorrow for sure. Awesome. Mom in chat. This is my mom's sleeping time. I think she goes to sleep and before that she just checks her YouTube. You know, like habits like ours, checking our socials before sleeping. So again we got, I think, wait, Remotion webhook. There is some sort of documentation issue happening. So this is the documentation for webhooks on Remotion. Are we setting it correctly? As I noticed these logs now. Let's see. I will give 6 hours and create a time lapse like happy life. I done some changes, check once. Awesome. 8 hours time lapse today. Happy life. You are cooking, man. You know guys, I have one crazy plan I was thinking about. I'm thinking, I told you about, right? I want to do this 48 hours of building one app in just like, I'll just live stream for 48 straight hours. Or maybe like I'll start with 24 hours first. We'll see how it goes. So I'll be sleeping, like the video stream will be live, and then I'll be just working on my project, and I'll be just in a single place. I'm thinking of like going to a very crazy place, staying in an Airbnb and doing this with my laptop. This is a crazy idea. Again, I will do it or not, that's a different story, but this is on an ideation stage right now. I was talking about this to one of my friend and he made me like super hyped. Oh, I forgot to say that I am loving Silicon Valley. I'm in the 3rd season. Silicon Valley is the best TV series for me in terms of like, because the tech nerd, the whole, it's just the best. Happy life username doesn't check out. Yeah, I will come and join you in yapping for 48 hours. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Just kidding. Okay, it's still working. Yep, waiting for that stream. Wow. Challenge starts in 0 days, 0 hours, 25 minutes. Yeah, let's see. Which place should I go? I was thinking maybe I'll go to Dharamshala somewhere and have like a mountain Himalayan view from my room. So it feels crazy to stay in that room and work. That's one of the idea I had. There is this app idea which I definitely want to build. All the projects which I'm working on right now, they have just tied me to these projects. I don't have time and bandwidth to think about anything. But this app idea is my personal, and I want this app for me, not to like sell or not to get money from it, but to solve one of my itch. So yeah, let's see if we can build it in 48 hours. The app is already built on my head how it will be, but I just need to put it out. I don't know about 48 hours. Maybe I can take a 24-hour time lapse. I'll not sit constantly for 24 or 48 hours, man. Like, it's impossible. I stop working after 8 hours. Like, if I work straight 8 hours, on the 9th hour you will see me blinking. Like, I'll be buggy. Dharamshala cricket ground is the most beautiful ground. Yes, I think Shivanshu has been there. He has seen one match from there. something is happening on these webhooks, or maybe tomorrow I'll have to check what exactly is happening. Shivanshu OG in chat. If you visit there, please go to the Dharamshala Stadium. Yes, by the way, Devanshu, I have a cousin who is a food photographer. Oh, interesting. You should, like, Shivanshu should meet him. Shivanshu is also a photographer, movie maker, music maker. He has done a lot of things. He's into a lot of stuff. Devrat Patnaik, give the challenge link. Devrat, the challenge is starting from tomorrow. I'll post it on our Discord group. And if you go to posthandle.com, it will be like there. I will put a flashy banner somewhere. Join Memathon or something like that. It's too good even in the images. Yes, I saw India versus Australia test live. It was incredible. Yeah, he made us jealous by posting pics about it. Sleep is for weak coders. Real coders stay up for days hammering out code. My hammering days are over now. I'm getting older. I want sleep. I want my 8 hours of sweet sleep. Oh yeah, I wanted to do one poll just quickly once the deployment is happening. Should I change the timing from 9:30 p.m. to 9 p.m.? Yeah, I was thinking it will make it more easier, like 9 to 10. When do you go live? I go live from 9 to 10. It's harder to say 9:30 to 10:30, and it will give me enough time to prepare for my bed. If I leave at 10, from 10 to 11 I can just prepare for my bed, like sleeping routine, and 11 I'll be sleeping. But I also don't mind at 9:30 to 10:30. This is a like very generic time. Okay, so now it's updated. We will see if it's working. Again, let's export. Look at the logs. Live. I'm looking at the live logs now. I hope they start coming in. Yes, created a new document. What a match, man. You are lucky to have that match. Shared his info on Discord. Awesome. Abhinav. Okay, cool. We'll check it out. So it's still not working, and I think we are already 10 minutes past time here. So my URLs, as I was checking here, the URLs are saying like webhook URL not found, which is, I don't know why it's happening. I will check it out tomorrow by myself. So obviously AI is not helping on this case. So here is the thing, like sometimes AI just gives up and it's not helpful, because last time I remember I implemented webhook by myself and it was not that difficult. So somewhere the documentation which this AI is trained on might be outdated. So again, thank you guys, thank you so much for joining in today, and